Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel your Replit subscription in 2026. So if you no longer need your paid plan or want to avoid future charges, I'll walk you through the general process. First, sign in to your Replit account and head to your account dashboard. Make sure you're using the account that has the active subscription. Next, open your account settings by clicking on your profile icon and locating the billing or subscription section. This is where you'll find details about your current plan. After cancellation, you'll typically continue to have access to paid features until the end of your current billing cycle, depending on the subscription terms. Finally, revisit the billing section to verify that the subscription status has been updated and that no future renewals are scheduled, and that's it. That's how to cancel a Replit subscription in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.